Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C-38 Refrigeration license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-38 contractor license? A C-38 license is issued to a contractor who constructs, fabricates, erects, installs, maintains, services, and repairs refrigerators, refrigerated rooms, and insulated refrigerator spaces, temperature insulation, air conditioning units, ducts, blowers, registers, humidity and thermostatic controls for the control of air, liquid, and/or gas temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. Now, there are some basic requirements. You have to be over the age of 18, have a valid driver's license and social security card, and not be currently on probation or parole. There are also some experience requirements, having 4 years full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document your experience, such as another licensed contractor, employer, or supervisor. Now, what to expect during the exam? It is closed book, so no reference materials, no notes can be brought in to be used during the exam. The questions are set up as multiple choice in an ABCD format. There are going to be some mathematical computations, and a calculator is provided to you. The testing is done on site, and the results are immediate. The exam is broken down into 5 major sections. Planning and estimating is about 24% of the exam questions. Refrigeration system installation, 29%. Refrigeration system repair, 24%. And refrigeration system maintenance, 13%, with safety covering about 10% of the questions. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might encounter on the exam. Where must the emergency control be installed for a refrigeration room? B, immediately outside the refrigeration room's exit. 2, metering devices are sized to which system component's BTU rating? C, the evaporator. And 3, a contractor is bidding to install a walk-in cooler and finds that the compressor costs $4,600 and the piping is $5.76 per foot for 200 feet of pipe. If this is 40% of the contract, what is the contract's total bid price? D, $14,380. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them, so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of ABCD questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.